So away they go cleanly. Anasha Phillip looking to put England in a good position, but Jamaica looking strong with Kerrol and Stewart already, and the handovers are looking for them clean enough for England at the moment. Blessing Okagbari, the double sprint gold medalist, has it for Nigeria, trying to put them in a good position, but Jamaica leading at the moment. Veronica Campbell-Brown with the baton onto Shaloni Calvert, and England have it now with Jodie Williams, silver in the 200 metres, and Nigeria still in a good position, but England will look to chase them down because Nigeria don't have the strongest anchor leg, but it's Jamaica well clear at the moment. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is going to storm to gold. A huge win for Jamaica, and England trying to get silver. It will be Nigeria. England third, they take the bronze medal, but we thought that England might be able to push Jamaica close. No such things, no thoughts of that. A games record for Jamaica, 41.84. What a performance, dominant from the Jamaican quartet. All four ran well, but Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce put her in that position, and there is no chance that she will be caught.
The Commonwealth Games in Glasgow witnessed a thrilling showcase of speed and synergy, with one of the most riveting highlights being the women's 4x100m relay. The event ended in a commanding win for Jamaica, spearheaded by the legendary Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. This triumph not only celebrated the impeccable unity of the Jamaican relay team, but also added another glorious chapter to Fraser-Pryce's already storied sprinting career. The relay ignited with an intense opening, as England's Anasha Phillip launched her team with a fierce start, instantly heating up the competition. However, Jamaica's Stewart responded emphatically, asserting their presence and gaining early control. The Jamaican runners performed baton exchanges with near-mechanical precision, an often overlooked, yet essential element that gave them a critical edge. In relays, swift and seamless handoffs are as crucial as outright speed, and Jamaica executed both perfectly. On the third leg, Nigeria's Blessing Okagbare, already a double sprint champion, grabbed the baton with purpose, determined to keep her squad in the fight. Her efforts kept Nigeria threatening, injecting added urgency into the race. England's Jodie Williams, a silver medalist in the 200m, also pushed hard to keep her team in medal contention. Still, Jamaica's margin had widened, and by the final exchange, the baton was in the hands of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Arguably one of the fastest women to ever grace the sport, Fraser-Pryce received the baton with Jamaica already in pole position. Her mission wasn't just to maintain the lead, it was to expand it and dominate the final stretch. She delivered with clinical brilliance, unleashing her trademark acceleration and technical finesse. Her explosive final leg confirmed that Jamaica would clinch gold without question. Her finish was nothing short of mesmerizing. Clocking a time of 41.84 seconds, Fraser-Pryce broke the Commonwealth Games record. But the feat went beyond individual brilliance. It was a shining example of Jamaica's overall strength and cohesion. Every runner played an integral role, but Fraser-Pryce's anchor leg sealed the deal, further etching her name into the annals of track greatness. This 2014 Commonwealth Games victory in the relay served as a resounding statement of Jamaica's unmatched prowess in sprinting. It emphasized the incredible talent pool of Jamaican women and their readiness to deliver under high-stakes conditions. For Fraser-Pryce, it was yet another crowning achievement in a career rich with unforgettable highlights. Though years have passed since that evening in Glasgow, the race continues to be studied and admired for its flawless execution and strategic brilliance. Many of the athletes from that contest have since stepped away from competition, yet Fraser-Pryce endures, still competing with the world's elite. Her longevity, particularly after becoming a mother, reflects a rare blend of passion, discipline, and mental fortitude. Over the span of her career, Fraser-Pryce has amassed a treasure trove of titles, including numerous Olympic and World Championship medals. Her unrivaled consistency in the 100m and 200m events has made her a global symbol of sprinting excellence. The Glasgow relay win underscored her adaptability and unwavering dedication to team success. Her career has never been without trials, overcoming injuries, balancing family and elite athletics, and navigating the pressures of global expectations. Yet she has persevered, emerging not only as a champion on the track, but also as a beacon of inspiration for countless young athletes. Her rise reflects how persistence, coupled with extraordinary ability, leads to enduring greatness. As excitement mounts for the upcoming track season, Historic moments like the 2014 relay continue to ignite inspiration among fans and athletes alike. Supporters look forward to seeing the world's fastest runners back in action, hoping for thrilling showdowns and continued health. With Fraser-Pryce still in the mix, anticipation remains sky-high for what lies ahead. The 2025 calendar is poised for memorable performances, and Glasgow's epic relay remains a reference point for greatness. Fraser-Pryce's legacy, fueled by such iconic moments, continues to guide the next wave of sprinters aiming to leave their mark. That unforgettable relay victory in Glasgow wasn't just a medal. It was a symbol of excellence, unity, and the firepower of one of track and field's most revered athletes. As we look back on that moment, we celebrate not only Fraser-Pryce's triumph but the enduring spirit of Jamaican sprinting that continues to shape the sport's future.